welcome back, guys. We're going to do a video on the new Banks map sensor bypass adapter. I guess that's what you call it. And it's kind of a low cost item to put on there. It helps with keeping some of the crud out of the sensor, makes it last longer, better fuel economy, all that kind of stuff. So the kit, I paid $69 US for this. Some Loctite. Here's kind of the bypass billeted piece. Looks good. Says Banks on it. Allen wrench and your two nuts and the Allen bolt. So not much in the kit. Comes with the good instructions, QR code, and you can go through and step by step, really good instructions. So they did a really good job with that. And this is something super minor. The one thing they said to do so that you don't get any codes is disconnect both batteries. So I went ahead and did that. And yeah, so let's get into it. This is good for 22 to what did they say? 24. 2022 to 2024. So you're gonna need just a couple of wrenches, 10 mil and an 8 for there. That's 8 there as well. So this one's not hard to get at, but the back one's a little trickier. So I'll just unbolt these and then I won't bore you with that. I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, I was in luck. I found some isopropyl alcohol. Helps. The research that I did on cleaning these sensors is you want to use something that doesn't leave a residue. So that's why I've got this. I'm just wondering where to pour this. Oh, it's brand new, so that's good. And I'm just going to pour it over the dirt here. Just that thin wire in there, you don't want to damage that. This should just kind of rinse it and dissolve some of the soot and shake it out. So if this doesn't work, you'll know what not to do. I'll get it going and see if I pull a code or I've ruined the sensor by doing this, but we'll see what happens. Sometimes you just gotta take a chance in life, right? Yeah, I just don't want to stick anything in there because of that wire. See how well I've cleaned it. Okay, well I think that's good enough. I don't want to push it too much, but let it evaporate. That's the beauty of that stuff, it'll evaporate. Better put the top on so I don't spill it, Murphy's Law. Okay, it's still a little bit wet. Okay, I think it's pretty much evaporated. Yeah, because that's 99% alcohol, so it doesn't take long. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but okay. So this goes just in like so. And that's the Allen key. Allen key bolt, nothing do that. There's 3 bolts in this thing, so 3, 4, I guess. Oh, I forgot the Loctite. Let's back this up a little bit. Let's back the party up here. And a little bit of Loctite on this. Oh. Okay, a little bit of Loctite on the hold down screw. I'm just putting them all in finger tight to start. And get them going. This is a 7 mil for this screw. And then the others are 8 milli. Yeah, I didn't go super tight, so I don't have the shield. Don't need that anymore. Okay, we just snug these down. They're not cranking them too hard. Don't want to break anything. I didn't see a torque spec, but they're just snug. 8 mil on a 7 mil. Got the wire on. Yeah, it looks okay. Hardly notice a difference there. But that's really the install. We'll get the battery terminals back on, and then we can see if the truck's going to start. Just put the cables on. Okay. Hear everything firing up again. Yeah, it's 8 mil. Should have shined up the terminals while I had them off. I wasn't thinking. Oh well. I'll do that another time when I do some more maintenance. Okay, I lied. 92,715 kilometers. There. Okay, let's shut the door. That's awfully annoying. Now the hood's open. Okay, we know that. Yeah, hood's open. Okay. Doesn't look like any codes are showing. Awesome. Okay, great install. Easy install. Okay guys, hope you found that video helpful, I guess. Actually, it's so simple. Hopefully I'll make a difference. It's not going to get clogged up so much. Not that it was that bad with my mileage. I think part of that is because I use arch oil additives in my fuel, and I use arch oil in the oil. So I really do believe in that product. I'm not sponsored by them at all, but I really do think it helps keep the engine running more efficiently, cleaner, all that stuff. I haven't done any deletes on the truck. I haven't had any issues with this thing whatsoever. I've put, I don't know, 25K on it since I bought it. Not a lot, but everything's working great. I did the disaster prevention kit on it. I don't know if you can see that there. So I opted not to do the pump, save a little bit of money there, I guess. One day, maybe I'll do that when I get more mileage. Anyway, I did the disaster prevention kit. Got a little bit of cheap insurance. Anyway, we'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm gonna be doing some more videos on the truck. I just got to get some parts in and stuff, so look forward to a few more Ford Superduty videos. As always, thanks for watching guys. See you on the next one.